EMR are a train operating company. We provide services to approximately 100 stations, around 400 train journeys a day, and our main goals are to ensure we deliver safe, efficient, on-time rail services to our customers, giving the best possible service. So at the heart of everything we wanted to do was connectivity. We had a lot of our stations, so I think 30 of our 100 stations with no connectivity. We were reliant on legacy infrastructure that was continually failing. In addition to that, I think customers as well are more tech savvy. They've got more smartphones and devices. They want information at their fingertips. So as part of the tender process, we went to Node4 and they introduced us to the SD-WAN technology. I think this brought the performance we needed to our stations and our sites. It gave us the coverage across 100% of our sites and added additional things like the visibility of what was happening on our network. Of the 70 that were our key sites that had connectivity, we quadrupled the bandwidth at the mainline sites that we had and doubled the bandwidth at a lot of our smaller sites. We had many greenfield sites that were also then had connectivity through to them, which we never had before. So of course we get some benefits from this through the employees and having connectivity to services, and that can have a knock-on effect in our ability to make sure we get our timetables correct and that we can deliver services internally. But then the customer-facing side of it, at our stations we have customer information screens that we've been able to install across all our stations and improve what we provide on those screens to our passengers. There's also the retail systems that we have at our stations where we've been able to upgrade our ticket machines and our gate lines. We've had a really good partnership with Node4 since day one really, and we now see Node4 as an extension, I think, of our IT team. It's enabled us to implement our digital transformation programme. At the heart of this is the connectivity to our sites, our stations, our offices, which has supported enhanced collaboration, and then also ultimately improving the customer experience through customer information screens and the ability to retail more efficiently. IT can often be seen as the people under the water just managing the technology, and I think through this change we've really been able to provide improved services for our customers, and IT are at the forefront of delivering change into the business.